So welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use MT5 as a complete beginner. So first of all, you need to go and download MT5, and yeah, we are using Android today. So go to your Google Play, download MT5, and once you download it, then you can come and let's continue with the tutorial. So guys, this is MT5 as you can see it, and this tab that is showing right here, if I am to explain it to you, first of all, let's click on this place, manage account. You can create a demo account, right? So since you are a beginner, I'm going to show you how to create a demo account. This is an account that I'm using with a broker, a demo account that I'm using with a broker that I'm using. But I'm going to show you how to create an account directly from MT5 that you can use to practice your trading. So if you want to do it, then you need to click on this plus button. Then once you do that, then you need to look at this Meta Coast Software Corp. You need to click on it, and then you need to click on open a demo account. Once you do that, you need to come down and click on accept, and then once you are sure you've input all the details, put your name. Then you see that the server is just like the broker that you are using, but this time around we are using MetaQuotes demo. And then account type is like, what type of account are you using? Is it a hedge account or what? So that's why they are saying forex hedge now, USD. Leverage is like, leverage is just like the money that your broker is giving you to trade. So for example, if you have $10 and you are using a leverage of 1 to 100, that means you use $10 time 100. So your money is like you have $1,000 to trade. All right. So 10 times 100 is $1,000. So you can trade as if you were using a $1,000 account with a $10 account. All right. And then deposit is $10,000. So if you want to get the amount that you can trade, that means you do $10,000 times 100 to get the total amount. It's like you are trading as if you were using a 1 million, if I'm correct, 1 million account, right? Click on register. Okay, so let's adjust. Alright, then you click on done. So guys, our demo account is already ready. Okay, you see the name here and the amount here. So as you can see, this is how it shows. These are your accounts, right? So anytime you want to go and change your accounts, click on this place. Okay, and then click on manage accounts, and you can come to this place and then choose any account you want to use. All right, now if you are looking at those icons in the bottom of your phone, this one is message, right? So anytime you have a message, you will receive it here. And then history is like the trades that you have taken. All the trades that you've taken will be showed here. So if you want to see the trade that you've taken, like today, you click on this one. Last week, you click on this. Last month, last 3 months, and custom period. Custom period is just like you have to choose the exact time that you want to look for the trade, right? That you took the trade you are looking for. So that's what they mean by odd history, right? So profit is the amount of money that you made. Deposit is the money that you deposited. Swap is the money that your broker is going to take from you for holding your trade for like over the weekend, right? Or yeah, over the weekend. And the commission is like the money that your broker is charging you for taking a trade. So these are it. So the orders are the trades that you've taken. Field is when the trade is already executed, and then if your take profit has been hit, have been hit, or your SL has been hit, it's going to show field, cancel, and then the total. So they'll show everything here. All right, then you come to trade. Trade is like where you see your trades, your floating profit or your floating loss. So if you take a trade, you will see it here under this line here. Okay, and then chart is the place where you do the trading. You analyze and you also trade. Okay, so there are different things that are available to you. And then quotes is just showing the currencies that are available on the platform. All right, so now if you want to add more currencies, you need to click on this plus button, and then you can add anything you want to add. You can add forex. Okay, you can add metals, you can also add indexes. Okay, and then if you know the particular asset you want to trade, you can just type the name of the asset and you will see it. For example, let's type GBP USD. It's not there, that means it has already been added. So let's select GBP AUD. Okay, then you click on go back. Now you can edit this one, so you can put your favorite pairs on, like, at the top. So you can click on these three lines and then drag it up, and then you will see that once you come back, you will see it at the top. Let's take the GBP USD to the top. Okay, now if you go back, you will see that GBP USD is right here at the top. All right, so now these are the features. So this is to modify the orders, this is to add new currencies. Okay, and then if you have news, you can check news here, you can check your trade here, you can also your mailbox. If you have messages, you receive it here. You have registered for a new account, risk warning, all of that, you see it in your mailbox. And there's so many other things that you can discover as you are getting used to the platform. Okay, but the most important things to do is to master this place right here. So as you're on trading view, if you click on the chart, you have this circle that is popping up. So you see M1, M5, M15, M30, all the way down to MN. So you may be wondering, what are those things, right? So when I was a beginner, I was also wondering, what are those things, like what are they for, right? So it simply means 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. Okay, so if you click on 1 minute, it's going to show you the chart on the 1 minute time frame. So what do they mean by 1 minute time frame? 1 minute time frame simply means that for this one candle, every candlestick in the 1 minute time frame has taken 1 minute to be formed. Okay, so any time frame that you see here has been formed within 1 minute. So if you click here, you see that if you check below, you see 2024 4th 11, right? 2024 April 11. So you see 23:31, right? So if you move to the next candle, you see 23:32. So that means the previous candle has taken 1 minute to be formed. Now let's click again. So if you want to choose this tool that I'm using right here to check it, you can use this one, right? So you can just click on it and then it will show you how to, like, it will show you the bars. Right now, let's click on 5 minutes. Okay, so every candlestick here has taken 5 minutes to be formed. So this one is 22:40, this one is 22:45, 50, so on. So now you can also choose the higher time frame, like 1 month. Okay, so guys, this is the 1 month time frame. So it's kind of like lagging because it's a very big time frame. So this is how it's showing. So let's go back down to the 1 week time frame. So this is the 1 week time frame. So every candlestick has taken 1 week to be formed. All right, and then so on. You can just keep changing time frames like that. And then if you click on it again, you will see different things here. This one, these shapes that you are seeing here, triangle, circle, and square, these are the shapes that, like, these are the tools that you use to trade. Okay, this one is vertical line. So you can put the vertical line here to identify which candle you want to analyze. Okay, and then you can click on it again, click on the shapes, and then you can click this one, this trend line. Trend line is just to define the trend direction of the market, right? So if you want to trace the trend line, you can just click on this place, hold it, and then drag it on top of the candle you want to trace it, right? So that's how they trace a trend line. For you to trace a trend line, you need to link the highs or the lows, like they call them the troughs and the right, the highs and the lows of the candles, right, the swing highs and swing lows. So that's how it is. So if you are drawing a downtrend, a downward trend line, then you need to link the highs, and then if you are tracing a an upward trend line, then you need to link the lows. Okay, so for example, let's say you want to trace an uptrend, you come to this place right here, and then you pick your tool, and then you pick the trend line, and you come here, and then you trace it like this. Okay, so you've picked the lows of it, like the swing lows, to trace your trend line. Now we have this horizontal line. You can also use it, okay, as you want. If you want to delete it, just maintain, click on it and maintain, then you can delete it here. This trash can icon here, you can click on it to delete, and that's all. Now I will show you how to buy and sell. Okay, so today is Thursday, so you can buy. Right, the markets are open from Monday to Friday. So right now, today is Thursday, so we can still buy. So if you want to buy, you click on buy here, and if you want to sell, you click on sell on the left. But right now, as you are seeing the market, let's sell. So if you want to sell, you click on it, and TradingView will send you a disclaimer, so you click accept. Okay, all right, so you click on buy on sell. So you see that your sell position has already been executed, right? So if you want to you want to monitor it, you come to trade, and you see that you are in losses because it's showing -4. Okay, so now if you want to close this position, you click on these three dots, and you say close all positions. Okay, so you can close it. Now you can also modify it by clicking on this pencil icon. So you can put your stop loss. What's stop loss? Stop loss is where you want the market to close your position if you are losing money. Okay, so if you want to verify, if you want to say, okay, I want to set my stop loss above this candle, you just need to memorize the price 107.568, and then come here and then put it 107.568, 107.568. You modify it, then you go back to your chart, and you see a line on top of that candle showing your stop loss. So if price gets to this place, you are going to be stopped out. Okay, and then you can also set your take profit. So take profit is where you want to take your profit if you are making money. So let's say, since you are selling, your take profit has to be lower. So let's say if you want to take your profit here, it's going to be like 106620. Okay, so let's put your take profit 16620. All right, so you can see that your take profit is right below the price. Okay, so if price goes down to this place and hits this level, you are going to make money. If it hits this one, you are going to lose money. But if you don't put a stop loss, market can go all the way up and take all your account down. So you don't want that. So you need to always put a stop loss when you are trading your the market. Now if you close your position with a loss, you go to history and then click on today's trade, and you see that you lost money today. All right, so that's pretty much how you do it. And then there are things that we call indicators when you are trading, so you can click on it. Sorry, so there are things that we call indicators while trading. So if you want to add an indicator, you can click on this sign here, and then main chart, and then there are different indicators that you can add: Bollinger Bands, Force, MACD, Momentum, so many indicators, and I can teach you indicators later on if you want to. Just comment it in the comment section. So guys, I think that will be all for today, because I've already showed you one of the key things to know when trading. So Yeah, hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Ciao. Bye.